everyone, in this video the topic I am going to discuss to you is all about cloud computing. There are different types of cloud services and cloud computing is one of them. So now let us define first what is cloud computing. Internet-based computing. That is one of the words that first comes in our mind when we hear the word cloud computing. So why is it internet-based computing by the way? It is because internet-based computing means storing and accessing of data and application and also the delivering of the different types of cloud services over the internet instead of using your computer's hard drive. In simple words, rather than managing your files and services using your local storage devices, you can just use cloud computing in an easier manner. Cloud computing is named as such because the information being accessed is found remotely in the cloud and in a virtual space. Companies that provide cloud services enable users to store files and applications on remote servers and then access all the data on the internet. This means users are not required to be in a specific place to gain access on it, allowing the users to work remotely. Cloud computing has two types of model, which is the deployment model and the service model. Under the deployment model, there are also three types of cloud model, which is the public cloud, the private cloud, and also the hybrid cloud. In public cloud, the cloud infrastructure is available to the general public, meaning all users can access applications and services. Second is the private cloud. In this cloud model, it is exclusively operated by a single organization, meaning only people of a particular organization can access the applications and services. This model also managed internally or by a third party. And the last cloud model is the hybrid model, which is the combination of the public and cloud model. In this model, you can perform non-critical activities by using public cloud and critical activities using private cloud. Next is the second model of cloud computing, which is the service model. In this model, there are also three types of service models, which is the IaaS or the infrastructure as a service model, the PaaS or the platform as a service model, and the SaaS or the software as a service model. IaaS model is a cloud service model for users to access basic computing infrastructure. This service model is commonly used by IT administrators. So if your organization requires resources like storage or a virtual machine, then this service model is for you. Second is the PaaS model, which provides cloud platform in a runtime environment for developing, testing, and managing your software applications. This service model also enables users to deploy applications without the need to acquire, manage, and maintain related architecture. So if your organization is in need of a platform for creating software applications, then this service model is for you. And the last one is the SaaS model, which involves cloud services for hosting and managing your software applications. In this model, you don't have to manage any aspects of the solutions unlike the two models. To better understand how cloud computing works, it is easier if we divide this into two sections, which is the front end and the back end. These two are connected to each other through a network or what we usually call the internet. The front end is the side of the computer or what we call the client, and the back end is the cloud section of the system where servers, applications, database work behind the scenes to deliver information to the users. So why is this cloud computing so important to us? Cloud computing is accessible and usable. That is why data can be accessed in any device or anywhere around the world. So cloud computing services help them to access those applications, of course, with the use of the internet. When you make any status update on your Facebook, you make use of cloud computing. When you check your bank account balance on your phone, again, you make use of cloud computing. With that, instead of buying, owning, maintaining physical data centers or servers, you can access wide range of technology services on as-needed basis from cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platforms, and many other cloud computing services. So that is all I can share to you all about cloud computing. Thank you for watching.